Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tigner Adventures.
This is a real adventure.
Yeah, we are on the subway, and we're doing something we've never done before. We're taking our bikes. So we're going into Washington, D.C., but we're actually going to go to the zoo. So we've got to change trains. We're on the green line, I think it is. Either green or yellow right now. But when we get to L'Enfant, then we got to switch to the red train to go out to the zoo. So today, we're going to go check out the zoo, the National Zoo. It's free. So we're going to go check it out and see what it's like, how it compares to some of the other zoos that we've been to around the country. So we took the subway from College Park. We are now at Fort Totten. The circles like that means that you can transfer to this other train. So we're going to transfer to the red train, which will come around over here to Woodley Park, which is the zoo. Well, we have arrived at the zoo, safe and sound.
Almost.
Only had to change trains one time, and it was really pretty simple. So, especially the second time you do it, it even gets simpler. So, it's pretty fun. You just take your bikes with you, and we're just gonna go into the zoo here now.
It's riding on the road. I don't like.
Yeah. We have entered the zoo. So, the zoo is free. Parking is $30 if you buy the ticket before you get here online. If not, it's $40. If you ride your bike, it's free. So we parked outside the zoo. You cannot ride your bikes in the zoo, so we have to walk around. But we're gonna try that out, go kind of slow for Ninette's sake today. She's wrapped her feet up, so hopefully...
You feel pretty good?
Yeah, hopefully they'll be good. So anyway, we're gonna check the zoo out. First place we're gonna stop and visit is the visitor center. Look at the artwork on the sides here. Kind of cool looking. And on this side, they have the water animals. Look at that big turtle. They have a pressed penny collectibles machine. So $1 for one, or all 8 for $5. And here's what those look like. But besides this, they also have this machine. So $5, you can get a silver, bronze, or for $10, you get a gold coin that has the Smithsonian animals on it. All donations go to the Smithsonian to support the animals. And then all zoos have to have a gift shop of some kind. Look at all this cool stuff. Look at these cups. Yeah.
This color I like.
Wow.
I found the stickers, but I don't have a spot. I need little stickers. I don't need big stickers.
Oh.
Cute.
I thought you'd be looking at baby stuff.
I already got some of that.
Okay. You do have to have your tickets ahead of time, so you do have to go online and buy your tickets. So that's why you might as well just buy your parking pass at the same time. But when you go to check out, it shows your ticket value as 0. So, but you do have to have tickets for a certain day. And then they scan that QR code when you come into the zoo. That's just so they can keep track of everybody. We've got a black bear wandering around here. Here he comes out here.
There he is. There he is.
There he is. Nice enclosure. This is a fishing cat. What is a fishing cat?
That's interesting.
It's also for the birds.
We found an otter. Actually, a couple of them, huh?
They're like an sun.
They're just sunning themselves.
They're cute.
Yeah. Look, this is their playground. Otters can just come out here and have all kinds of fun. Look at this cute red panda. He wants to go inside. He says, I don't want to be around all these people. Oh, there the panda is.
He's all worn
Oh, it
out.
looks like he had a hangover. Just hangs out wherever.
Must have been out playing all day.
Just plumb wore out.
Yeah.
The last time we seen pandas was in San Diego when we took my parents to the San Diego Zoo. You can't see the pandas too much because they're usually sleeping all the time. Every time we've ever seen pandas, they've been sleeping. So,
It's usually the middle of the day.
what a life. This is the panda gift shop. Look at all these different pandas. Lots of stuffed pandas. Hey guy, what's up? Huh? Is that what they look like? Taking a break, sitting down, stretching. Oh, way too much walking. How's your feet doing?
They're there.
They're there. Yeah,
Still moving.
plantar fasciitis is not fun. Look, they have an Auntie Anne's here. Pretzels, lemonade, cinnamon packs, cinnamon rolls. So we didn't get any stickers, but hey, we got something to the little dinky cinnamon rolls.
Bonbon rolls, I guess.
Yeah.
And they're warm, so.
Yeah, they heated them up for us. What does it taste like?
Cinnamon.
Yeah. When you're hungry, you know,
It's good.
everything tastes good no matter what anyway.
It's nice to have one without.
Yeah. Well, we're going to continue on. We've had our protein drinks.
Our protein
Maybe-
coffee.
Yeah. Maybe that'll help Ninette's feet.
It won't.
It seems like the rest of the zoo is at the bottom
Well,
of the
we didn't
canyon.
know. We only went to the first. I thought that's
We've
kind
only
of a
done
small
the first
zoo.
half so far, the first
It's not even-
quarter.
Not even the first half, but it's
Yeah.
all downhill.
Yeah, from here. So
Now
hopefully
getting back uphill is going to be a.
gonna be fun. There's the elephants.
Playing with the logs. Look at those.
Yeah, playing with the logs.
It's a big play toy.
Grab that log and throw it over at the other guy. Oh, it's kicking it. Look at the little baby.
Can't see you.
It's just hiding back there away from everybody.
They usually lose the baby. The baby doesn't survive.
This is the gray seal.
Oh, there's two of them. It's pretty.
What's he doing down there, guy? He's just kind of just laying around.
Leave me alone. I'm taking a nap.
Looking at the
That's
seals
how they turn
underneath
upside
the
down.
water.
They're so cute. Oh, here it comes.
Look, they're playing.
Yeah, they're cute. There you are. There you are. Come here. Oh, nice, nice.
This is an Adine bear. Just sitting on that rock, sitting on the outer edge of his wall. Yeah. Just taking it easy, enjoying the sun on his face. Got a few rays that are just swimming around here. These are freshwater stingrays.
It's pretty. Those are some pretty stingrays. Oh, he's a big one. How'd you like to hook onto one of those guys? Look at this one. This one almost looks like a... Oh, it is a catfish, but it's got the things on the side. That is weird.
Look at this prehistoric turtle.
Oh my gosh.
He's definitely, he looks like he's a dinosaur. Yeah. Wow.
That's kind of what I saw in Texas. It was still in my fish.
Look, we're up on top of the water now looking down on these big fish.
Those are the big fish that we just saw.
Yep.
There you go.
It's a guinea pig farm. Look at these little guinea pigs. They're having fun. This is the very bottom of the zoo. Get to know cows. Look at this big cow.
Over there.
Moo. Look, there's the prairie dogs.
We've seen millions of prairie dogs.
Yeah, we see prairie dogs everywhere. Well, out on the prairie anyway. How about a porcupine? Look at this big guy. There's the bobcats. You see the bobcat right there? He's a big guy. There's another one over there. Yep. Look at this big tiger up here. Just sitting up there, looking over his domain. Monkeys are taking it easy on the inside. Just playing around. That's all monkeys do is play, isn't it? Now that we're inside, the other guy went outside. So here he is outside. Just having a little bit to eat on. Yeah. Is that good stuff? Yeah. Oh, look.
Mama and baby.
Playing around. Well, we are starting the long trek up the mountain. I don't know how much of a mountain it is, but it seemed like we went downhill for a long time. And we just left the monkeys, and so just got to work our way up to the entrance. Going uphill is the hardest, right? Look at all these turtles just laying out here sunning themselves. He's watching TV. He's watching us.
Yeah. I think he's eating.
You're just up here playing. It's hard to see through the glass. This is how you want to see one of these guys, just sleeping and not caring about anything. These are naked mole rats. Dwarf mongoose. What you doing there, huh? Yeah. There's another one over there. Actually, one up in the... There's two of them in the nest. Hanging out together.
That's not your problem, dude. She was only around all day. That's not the problem.
This is a golden lion tamarin.
I like his color.
These are meerkats. Aren't they cute? Looking around, sitting on that dinosaur's head. It's been a long day. But hey, Ninette made it. She won't be able to move tomorrow.
We went through the zoo and we were going out. And it's like, just a minute.
We missed something.
We missed almost all of it.
Yeah. We'd only gone like a third of the way, so we had to turn around and walk back.
Yeah. And we're glad we did. I saw the meerkats. I saw the...
Yeah, we got to see
lots of
all
cute
the
kitties.
cool things. So it's a
There's,
pretty big sized zoo. I mean, it's really pretty amazing.
Yeah.
But I guess
their
if it's gonna,
enclosures are very nice. Very nice for the animals.
if they're going to say it's the National Zoo,
Yeah.
then
It's
I
gonna
guess
be-
it has to be pretty good.
It's going to be nice.
Anyway, our friend's behind us right there. He's kind of, he wants to chime in, but he's too busy eating.
Or sleeping.
Or sleeping. Anyway, thanks
was
for coming
happy.
along with us today. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah, that was fun.
Hopefully we can get back home safely on our
Yeah.
bikes, going back in the subway, because now it's 5 o'clock at night. So we're going to be in rush time on the subway, so this is going to be interesting. So anyway, we will hopefully catch you on our next video, and if not, maybe somewhere down the road. So take care.